What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm going to take off the inside screen protector of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and I'm going to show you before and after videos to show you if the screen changes at all and all of that. But I'm also you're probably gonna ask why I'm taking this off. Well, the reason I'm taking it off is a couple reasons. One, it's not needed. I take it off of all of my Galaxy Z Fold line phones, and for me, I like the way the screen feels better without it. And also, it's less fingerprint prone. It still gets fingerprints even with the screen, but it doesn't stay there as much or as long. You can wipe it off a lot easier than you can with the screen protector that's on here. I know if you don't want to take it off, don't leave it. It's going to be great for scratches. Your phone will still work after you remove it, and you'll still be under warranty. They're not going to quit your warranty. I know some of you are going to come out, put in the comments, I've gone through this year over year over year. They do not break your warranty because of you removing a plastic film screen protector. So without further ado, let's jump into this. It's that ritualistic time to now remove the Galaxy Z Fold 6 inside screen protector. So I'm going to turn the screen off so I don't hit anything. And I'm going to dig my finger in here. And you probably don't even know there is one, but there is a screen protector on here. I'm gonna dig that away. There we go. I don't like these things. Generally, I don't. You could always keep yours on. Nice and sticky. Whoa. Ooh, that's on there pretty good. Oh, there it goes. And it is off. Perfect. Look at that. Look at all those little fingerprint marks on there. It's a lot right up there. It really keeps it on there. Now let's check those colors and reflections. Obviously, the reflections probably be about the same because this is not a privacy screen protector. What do you guys think? So for me, I didn't really notice anything better or worse in terms of the way the screen looked. I think it still looked really, really good. The colors were just as vibrant or not vibrant, depending upon how you look at it, but it looked the same to me overall. I think the only big difference is the screen feels, again, a little bit more natural, but it still felt really good with this screen protector. I know a lot of people probably don't even know it has a screen protector, especially if it's brand new or you haven't really used it that much. You won't even really realize it, but otherwise, keep it on there if you want. I always take them off, like I said. I never keep them on. The front one does not have a screen protector, so you don't have to worry about taking that one off because there isn't one. But yeah, I don't know. I like to rock it naked on there. Let me know about you guys. Do you always take it off or do you keep it on? And why? Let us know in the comments down below. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.